I thank you so much for tuning into this video. We have some questions that I would want us to look at today, so it's gonna be an amazing time, and I surely hope you are going to enjoy this and learn a lot from it. Let's get right into it. Question number 1. When driving on a slippery road, you should? Now let's look at our answers. Should you slow down, stop, or reduce speed and exercise caution? Well, when driving on a slippery road, it's crucial that one has to slow down and be cautious. So the correct answer for this question is C, for the purpose of learning. Here are the other ways that you can drive carefully on a slippery road, and these include taking slow turns on the corners, maintaining a safe distance between you and the car in front of you, and when you are stopping or accelerating, do it gradually, not abruptly. Question number 2. At a stop sign, you must? Option A, give way to traffic from your left. Option B, give way to traffic from my right. Or Option C, stop and give way to traffic from both sides. Now, in order to answer such a question correctly, what we need to understand is that the driver has to come to a complete stop at a stop sign or stopped intersection, at the painted line, before the crosswalk, or just before the stop sign. After you have stopped, the law requires that you look both sides and let any traffic, whether from your left or right moving across your path, go by you first. If the road is clear on both sides and there is really no traffic, then only then are you free to proceed through the intersection or turn. If you see traffic at a visible distance away, but the distance is just long enough that the car that is approaching will not reach the intersection before you have closed it, then you may proceed ahead. So with that being said, it's now clear that the correct answer for this question is Option C, which is you stop and give way to traffic from both sides. Let's move on to question number 3. When traveling at 75 kilometers per hour, you must allow a gap between your vehicle and the car in front of how many cars? Now, in order to correctly answer this question, we have to understand what the law says in this regard. The law says we have to leave a gap of at least the length of your own vehicle for every 15 kilometers per hour that your vehicle is traveling at. So is the answer 4 vehicles length, or 6 vehicles length, or 5 vehicles length? Well, we use simple division whereby we say 75 divided 15 and we get 6 vehicles. So the correct answer is B. Question number 4 says this sign is it a traffic light signal, or a danger warning sign, or an informative sign? The correct answer here is the traffic light signal. Question number 5 says, when approaching this sign, I would, Option A, be expected to check the vehicle. Option B, slow down and expected to be stopped. Or Option C, expected to see roadworks ahead. That sign is a physical barrier sign ahead. Therefore, you slow down and expect to be stopped. So the correct answer is B. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope that this information has helped you a lot, and if you have any thoughts you might like to share, kindly do so in the comment section. Thank you so much and see you soon. Goodbye.